In this video, we're going to discuss filtering search results. Filters allow us to streamline our search and increase the relevance of our results. To get started, scroll down to the Limit To section on the left side of your screen. It may be tempting to select the full text checkbox. However, some of the best articles for your literature search may be from journals we don't subscribe to. I recommend leaving this unchecked since the library can get full text articles to you for free via interlibrary loan. I will show you how to request articles via ILL in my next video. Next, select the peer-reviewed checkbox. Filtering your results to only include peer-reviewed articles will remove results from magazines, newspapers, letters, videos, and other media that prioritize mass audience appeal in the editing and publication process over research quality. Articles that undergo peer-reviewed are reviewed by experts in the field who either accept or reject the quality and accuracy of research before it goes to publication. Next, you can filter your search results by date. A general rule of thumb is 5 or maybe 10 years for health science topics. Exceptions for older articles are made when specific research is considered foundational knowledge in the field and still accepted today. There are also maybe instances where you want to consider historical perspectives or practices. Choose a date range that is appropriate for the scope of your topic. Finally, there may come a point when you want to take a break. If I were to walk away from my search results and come back later, all of my work would be lost due to a timed-out browser. To avoid potential stress, I recommend getting the persistent URL for this page so you can always come back to your work at any time, as well as share your results with others. You can find the persistent URL by clicking on Share at the top of your search results. Copy and save the persistent URL that appears in the box that pops up on your screen. You can now save your progress and return to your work at a later point. In my next video, I will discuss skimming search results and requesting interlibrary loans for full text articles.